Okay, guys, and good morning. We are about to talk about today's top pre-market gainers. These stocks are already exploding. Some of the alerts that we were putting out along in the Discord yesterday and in previous days for the safe, easy, early seat. Along with these, we will be talking about some of the most recent stocks for our new set of swing trades so that you can be prepared and catch these on time as well. Without delay, let's just get right into it now with UAVS coming in for today's top market gainer, being up over 100% from the lows of $1.54 up to the highs of $3.48. We can go look deeper into UAVS stock up in the Banking with Billy Discord, where we are all in here trading these easy stocks out in a million ways and a million plays, and we'll go ahead and type in UAVS, excuse me, got the hiccups bright and early as UAVS was getting alerted out by coaches along in their sections. Coach Tidwell was throwing out UAVS yesterday. That was very fire. That was very fire. His alert out yesterday went up over 100% today. And again, like I said, you see those in time, and he let you know you're going for a 7 to 15% stop loss on everything. Nothing ever changed. Look how clean and organized that. Very good, Coach Taylor. I see it all. I see it all. Very proud. Very proud. Make sure that you guys tell the coaches very good alert. Coach Tidwell throwing out that throwing out that fire. Throwing out that fire. UAVS over 100%. Literally. And of course, you don't see them. If you don't see them on time, just don't go for it. Like right now, if you're seeing this, and of course, the members are and the members in here are already catching those. Too easy. See it on time. Right now, if you already up, you'll be able to notice that people are getting ready to lock in some gains off of the UAVS for the biggest P-market runner for a quick pullback. For those of you who don't know what UAVS is, you're gonna play Call of Duty. These are UAVs. That's what they be making. We're looking for more military contracts about them signing up to be getting a hold of their UAVs and looking for all of that to advance into the future with an average value of 3 million. That current value is getting up to 8 million, and UAVS stock is looking good. Next, you got ELAB from the lows of 1 cent back up to the highs of 5 cents. We've been going for the ELAB along in the Banking with Billy Discord, where you can get all alerts on time. Currently, right now, sitting up over 100%. I fell asleep. This was at 3:11 a.m. I fell asleep for just a bit until about 7 a.m. This thing went even a bit higher. We will look a little bit further into that in just 1 second. But first, we'll be looking into the early alerts for ELAB along in my sections. I also have been throwing out ELAB, saying that this is going to be for the early bird special. This is back on the 5th of the month. And if you look back on the 5th of the month, back when this thing was down less than a penny at the very beginning, all the way for this big bull run we see now, and notice here how they're still holding this stock in. You know, a quick sell-off, a small sell-off, but that's not even really nothing fancy. Like, this is just the beginning. These stocks right here, they getting ready to come in for massive short squeezes. In fact, they already moving. Don't miss out on these easy bull runs. What we see UAVS doing, ELAB is about to go even higher than that. Especially if this thing squeezes. ELAB could be the squeeze of a century. You might not want to miss out on this one, and you want to see those alerts in the Discord on time. When I'm telling you back on the 5th of the month that you want to catch those things, you want to be able to be in the Discord to see when I'm telling you that these things are starting to move up. You don't want to miss out on this. Be ready to like engage. I'm always learning out what the next set of swing trades are. You might need to get some of those. You know, you might need to see them earlier than I do if you're watching the videos on my 52-week lows on time. And I'm not the only one in the Discord going for ELAB stock. Many people along in the Discord are catching them ELAB for the big mighty bull run, and everybody catching ELAB. If you're not catching ELAB, you just missing out on the easiest play of the century. And this thing is primed for another leg up. Very hot. Don't miss this. You can be able to see when I'm still holding in those stocks. Because the back on the 7th of the month, I would say I'm still holding ELAB down 7%. I didn't say to sell. I was still holding, okay? Make sure that you guys follow along with the trend. If you don't know what you're seeing here, this is Banking with Billy. This is our home where we trade all of our stocks and do all our things all day, every day. Even have people in their live classroom doing their live classroom sessions right now by Coach Prim. And I'll go ahead and we'll look at her section here in just a bit, as well as Coach Prim does throw out her alerts, letting us know what to get into and what to get out of. We're going to see them on time. In Bank Weekly Discord, there are many different roles. people with the blue rolls, regular members, people with the gold rolls, the Billy's Bangers, the one who's been here forever, the people with the orange rolls or those reddish rolls, the coaches, okay? The people with those dark red rolls are premium traders. You see those premium traders along in a premium sections, and the people with the biggest tiers are in the investor section. They are orange. They get all the top alerts that I go for. And so let me explain some of this for those of you who are newer to the Discord and haven't been seeing things and you haven't recognized the recent announcements and updates. What we have now, we have proper organization, okay? Another thing, if your Discord doesn't look like how mine does, with your chat rooms up here, with your full-time chat alerts there, with your premium alerts there, and then all the other coach alerts down there, your thing isn't organized how mine is. You can go to the top of Discord and press browse channels to change up your organization and turn on and off whatever sections you would like to follow along with. If you have new sections that are not highlighted, then you won't be able to see those sections. Go to the top of the Discord, turn on browse all sections, and turn on and off which sections you would like to be able to see. Choose your channels and customize what's on your channel list in Bankability. And mine, for example, are our main chat rooms first. Okay, we got our chat rooms where we're doing all our chatting. And for those of you who aren't aware now, ChatGPT has woken back up, asking all your questions. Once again, y'all know how we used to. We got our profits, our activities like our Miners Club and our Atlas Earth. I'll add in a few more activities so you guys can be able to participate and stuff like that together. And our full-time investors, where again, these are the alerts that I go for dedicatedly for life. These are my own personal things. I put that up there so you guys can be able to catch the most advanced things on point along with me. You can make your own room if you are an investor, if you are a full-time investor in those sections. You can make your own room. We will be plugging in our live. Right. You got your premium trader section. These are for the premium traders in there. You got their own premium chat rooms with the premium alerts. The market flows, you've been seeing my videos for so long, you already know that the market flows is the best section. In fact, the market flows is pretty much literally the only section that you really need, depending on how you like to trade. This is what really taught me about the markets. This one section, this one section, the market flow, taught me how to trade options, taught me how to understand the market, taught me how, when, and why. You got your premium options, your quick options. These are for more premium traders, okay? And they got their premium classroom as well. They pair up by Scanbot, throwing out the most hot explosions and catching the next one that goes out. Then you got me, my sections, and all of the other coaches that I have trained throughout the years have they sections and banking with Billy for the same setup and the same strategy every single trade. UAVS, for example, just exploded about 150%. And Coach Still will let you know you get at this price or lower. It's a 7 to 15% stop loss. Ain't nothing change. Ain't nothing changing. Good worker, Coach Till. I hope you're seeing this on time because you definitely deserve an applause for that one. And you know, some of the Discord sections, they alert out and type in things a little bit different. So it comes down to understanding and just knowing how to read those and take your time. And take your time. There is no rush in this. Look, we got coaches in there already started. Coach Dragonfly said he typing up him an alert right now, even as we speak. You know, don't miss out on that. I can't show you that right now. Make sure that you go in there to see that on time. I'm Billy Banks. Let's continue on with the QUBT. So here we see on QUBT, this is the quantum computing. Goes from the lows of $1 up to the highs of $4.35. Whoa, this thing becomes overbought, holding up over 100% right now on the QUBT. I'll take you where you'll be able to see more about the QUBT over along in the Banquet Billy Discord. And once again, you already know this has been getting alerted out. Not only have the premium traders been picking this thing up, letting us know about QUBT, but we've also been watching this thing gear up. It's been getting picked up by this stock beep scanner, letting us know that this stock was about to get the stock beeping. And what I tell you guys, when you see the volume ticker spamming the stock out and stock beep scanner picking that thing up, again, and I'll show you, I'll say for nothing. Scroll down a little bit more. You can see the volume ticker spamming that stock out. Then finally getting picked up by the parabolics down at the lows. And what's that? That $1.08, no less. All the way to all the way to when this thing get picked up by the stock beef scanner. Next thing you know, it's getting picked up by the parabolic scan by day after day after day. Next thing you know, the members and the coaches in the Discord are throwing this thing out. Hit UAVS and QUBT both flying off the shelves right now. Quantum computing going crazy. Quantum computing. Okay, the future. So like cryptocurrencies, shipping new cities.
flying taxis, everything that we seen in Futurama back when, if y'all remember that, is happening now, and this comes down to quantum computing because the quantum computing is how they're gonna have us teleporting. Like that's how they're gonna be able to instantly transfer your dinner to your table all the way from the restaurant through quantum computing. Um, some people might get lost in a quantum space, trying to transfer every cell and atom and whatnot. You know what I mean? Don't be surprised if your broccoli ain't make it to the other side. You know what I mean? Or when they transfer your dinner over until they master the quantum computer. If y'all don't remember that, what that's like, I could just I could just literally just show you. Watch this. Oh no, wait. I can just probably just type in a GIF. Let me see. It'll probably just be easy to type in a GIF. Okay, let me see if I can type in a GIF. And we're going to just to show you a quick example of what quantum computing is going to be looking like. Let's type in teleporting. Quantum computing. Just like that. Just like that, bro. This is what quantum computing is gonna do for the world. It's gonna have people out there teleporting, transportating, and whatnot. And that didn't go through. Quantum teleporting. hmm Which one? Which one the best depiction of quantum computing? Let me see. Probably this. quantum quantum computing. Quantum computing gonna have us doing this. Quantum computing gonna have us doing this like Goku. I'm on the kids, but check it out. Check it out. Like I said, I'll make videos on it later on and stuff like that. Talking about the different technologies and stuff that it's gonna bring us to and all that. But yeah, it's gonna be very, very cool. And now since we done made it through our top key market gainers, okay, we here on BCTC, so I might as well just go ahead and get this in right now. BCTC coming in for the multi-day bull run for lows of $1.58 up to the highs of $28. I'm gonna show you, okay, BCTC in the Bank with Billy Discord. B C B T C T. Oh man, make sure you guys type in those letters right because typing in one letter wrong just throws off everything. BTCT. Yeah, geez, why? So I'm always typing in one letter wrong, bro. But yeah, first you're gonna see that thing get picked up by the volume ticker, and then you're gonna have that thing get picked up as a parabolic scan. Once the parabolic scan by gets to picking that thing up, notice these are at those lows. It's back early at the very beginning when this thing was starting to get picked up by the parabolic scan bot, going from that $4 up to $28. And you were seeing it even earlier on in that. I tell you guys, you're gonna watch the volume ticker spam it out. If volume ticker is spamming out a stock, that stock is getting ready to gear up from those bottoms. Nothing has ever changed. Y'all been seeing these videos for years. Y'all been in the Discord trading these things for years. If you don't understand what's going on here and whatnot, guys, I'm Billy Banks. I've been making these videos for a long time. We do have other YouTube channels. I just separated this channel out to avoid the confusion and stuff from the other original Banking with Billy channel, where I'm going to be using that for more top trending things. And then we'll be using this channel now, our Banking with Billy's breakouts for our 52-week lows, our most actives. And here, you guys will be able to request your ticker symbols and stuff like that again, like we used to. Okay. We also do have our Billy's Bitcoin and Beyond, we talk about our cryptocurrencies as well. So check that out. And we do have a couple other coaches and YouTubers and Banking with Billy who put out their alerts. For example, Sensei Prim, I believe she's down there teaching a class right now. You guys can always join in on the
สูงสุดแล้วก็หุ้นขึ้นต่ำสุด
given time.
comparing กันค่ะ เห็นไหม
And when you
เดี๋ยว
do
เดี๋ยวไอ
join
จะ
in
ลาก
on
เทร
these
นให้ยูดู
classrooms,
นะ
then you'll be able to
Look at it
participate in everything that's going on. Some of our teachers
ทุก
and
ครั้ง
coaches in
เอา
here,
เอาค่าปัจจุบันไว้ก่อนใช่ไหมคะคุณจะลากจากข้างขวาไปข้างซ้าย
some of our teachers and coaches in here speak other languages, as you guys can see. Currently, she's in there speaking, teaching a language in Japanese and Thai, I believe. And there are many, and Bank Ability has many people, thousands of people, tens of thousands of people all around the world. You never know where you're gonna meet somebody from. You might meet somebody from Thailand. You might be meeting somebody from Canada. You might be meeting somebody from Australia. You know, dude might be down there in Sweden or the Netherlands. It's no telling where you might make a new investing friend in here in Banco Ability. And we come from every which way. These are the top pre-market gainers. Later on, I'm gonna go update our 52-week lows as you've seen those videos I made yesterday, so you guys get prepared. These things did come in for a decent uptrend, but the market's about to open up pretty soon. I don't want to overwhelm you guys with too much in just one video. I know a lot. I know we gotta get to our business this morning. So I'll see you guys up in the Discord. Let me know for any questions. And you'll be able to join me and the coaches and the members and the family in our classroom all day. I'm gonna jump back in there right now and listen to Coach Prim's lesson she's giving. She caught these alerts for us in the Discord. Very, 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 very good for you. I'm gonna see y'all up in there and happy trade.